Introduction. Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Coffee and English Podcast. I am your host, Sarah, and today we are going to learn something essential, simple, and incredibly useful: how to talk about yourself in English. This is one of the first skills every English learner must master. Whether you are talking to a new friend, a teacher, a coworker, or someone you just met, you will always need to introduce yourself. However, most people only learn the basic sentence, "My name is," and nothing else. That makes introductions short, uncomfortable, and unnatural. In today's episode, we will change that. I will teach you step by step how to make easy, natural, confident introductions in English using simple vocabulary and clear patterns that anyone can follow. You will learn how to say your name, your age, your city, your job, your hobbies, your personality, and even your goals, all in easy, beginner-friendly English. So take a comfortable seat, grab your coffee, and let's start learning English together, one sentence at a time. Part 1. The basics of introducing yourself for beginners. The most important thing is to learn a structure. Think of an introduction as a small presentation. You do not need to memorize long paragraphs. You only need simple, short pieces that you can combine. Here is the basic introduction structure. Your name, where you are from, your age. Optional. What you do. Work or study. A couple of hobbies. A simple personality description. A closing sentence. Let's go step by step. 1. Saying your name. The most common phrases are, "My name is Sarah." "I am Sarah." "You can call me Sarah." All three are correct. Keep it simple. 2. Saying where you are from here are easy patterns. I am from Colombia. I come from Mexico. I am originally from Brazil, but I live in Spain. I was born in Argentina, but I grew up in Chile. Beginners often don't know how to continue after their name. This is always your second step. 3. Talking about your age. This part is optional, but if you want to include it, use this structure. I am 24 years old. I am 18. I am in my 30s. Never say, "I have 24 years." Remember, in English, you are your age, not have it. 4. Talking about your job or what you study. These are safe and easy phrases. I work as a graphic designer. I am a student. I study business administration. I work in a restaurant. I am learning English. For beginners, the phrase, "I work as a," is very helpful. 5. Mentioning hobbies. People connect through hobbies. Keep it simple. I like reading. I enjoy cooking. I love traveling. In my free time, I listen to music. My favorite hobby is playing football. Do not try to sound complex. Simplicity is clarity. 6. Describing your personality. This is something many beginners avoid, but it is very important. Try these. I am a friendly person. I'm quiet, but I like meeting new people. I'm very positive. I'm hardworking. I'm calm and patient. Simple adjectives always work. 7. Closing your introduction, always finish neatly. Nice to meet you. It is a pleasure to be here. Thank you for listening to my introduction. Now let's see everything together. Part 2. A full easy introduction, beginner example. Here is a complete example using everything we just learned. My name is Sara. I am from Colombia. I am 26 years old. I work as an English teacher and content creator. In my free time, I enjoy reading, drinking coffee, and learning new skills. I consider myself a friendly and patient person. Thank you for listening to my introduction. This is short, clean, and easy to follow. Now let's build more examples so you can hear how different people introduce themselves. Part 3. Different introduction models. Example 1. Student. My name is Daniel. I'm from Mexico. I'm 19 years old, and I am a university student. I study psychology. In my free time, I enjoy playing video games and listening to music. I am a calm and creative person. Nice to meet you. Example 2. Worker. My name is Laura. I am from Peru. I am 28 years old. I work as a nurse in a local hospital. I like reading and watching movies on weekends. I am a responsible and dedicated person. Thank you for listening. Example 3. Immigrant. My name is Ahmed. I'm originally from Egypt, but I live in Canada now. I work as a software engineer. In my free time, I enjoy cooking and hiking. I'm a friendly person who likes meeting people from different cultures. Example 4. Retired person. My name is Maria. I'm from Spain. I am retired now, but I used to be a teacher. I love gardening, walking, and spending time with my family. I'm a positive and patient person. Nice to meet you. These examples show that you do not need complicated vocabulary. You only need clarity and rhythm. Part 4. How to make your introduction sound natural. Many beginners can say basic sentences but struggle to sound natural. Here are some techniques. 1. Speak slowly, do not rush. English sounds clearer when you speak with calm and confidence. 2. Pause between ideas. My name is Sara. Pause. I am from Colombia. Pause. I work as a teacher. Pauses help your listener understand you better. 3. Do not try to translate word by word. Think in simple English structures. 4. Use simple linking words you can connect ideas with. And, but, also, because. For example, I like reading and cooking. I work as a teacher, but I also create online content. 5. Practice repetition. Repeat your introduction many times until it feels natural. Part 5. Extended introduction model for podcast listeners. Now I will give you a longer introduction example that is still easy and beginner-friendly. You can use this model if someone asks you to talk about yourself in more detail, for example, in a classroom or a job interview. My name is Sara, and I am from Colombia. I am 26 years old, and I work as an English teacher and content creator. I have been teaching English for a few years, and I really enjoy helping people learn the language in a simple and practical way. I live in a small but beautiful city. I love spending my mornings drinking coffee and planning my lessons. In my free time, I enjoy reading, watching documentaries, and learning new things. I consider myself an organized and patient person. I like working with people and helping them feel confident when they speak English. I decided to learn English when I was very young because I loved the idea of communicating with people from around the world. Learning English has opened many opportunities for me, and now I want to help others do the same. That is why I started this podcast, to teach English in a way that feels easy, natural, and enjoyable. Thank you for listening. Nice to meet you. This extended introduction is still simple but gives more detail, making it perfect for learners. Part 6. Questions you can use to start a conversation about yourself. In English, introductions often continue into small talk. Here are easy beginner questions. Where are you from? What do you do? What do you like to do in your free time? Do you study or work? What is your favorite hobby? Why are you learning English? These questions help you build a longer conversation. Part 7. Practice section for the listener. Let's practice together. Repeat after me or answer in your mind. My name is. I am from. I am. Years old. I work as. In my free time, I like. I am a. Person. Nice to meet you. You can create hundreds of different introductions using these 7 pieces. Part 8. Final tips to improve your introductions. Keep your sentences short. Use vocabulary you feel comfortable with. Do not worry about sounding perfect. Smile while speaking. Your voice becomes more friendly. Record yourself speaking. Practice your introduction every week. Learn 3 new adjectives every month. Listen to other introductions to build confidence. Use the same structure in all conversations. Remember that simple English is good English. Thank you for joining me today on Coffee and English podcast, where practiquemos inglés mientras nos tomamos un café. I truly hope this lesson helped you understand how to introduce yourself in English in a clear, simple, and confident way. Learning to talk about yourself is not just a language skill, it is the foundation of meaningful communication. When you can explain who you are, where you come from, and what you enjoy. You immediately create connection. You make conversations easier, and you begin to build relationships in English, even as a beginner. Remember that every introduction is an opportunity. It is the moment where you show your personality, your interests, and your confidence. You do not need to sound perfect, and you do not need complicated vocabulary. What matters is clarity, honesty, and practice. The more you repeat your introduction, the more natural it will become. With time, you will not need to think about it. Your words will flow on their own. Talking about yourself is also one of the best ways to grow your fluency. When you repeat these sentences often, you strengthen your pronunciation, your rhythm, and your ability to think in English. Use the structures you learned today, practice them slowly, and make them part of your daily routine. You can even write your introduction, record it, and listen to your progress. Small steps create big results. Thank you again for spending this time with me. It means a lot to have you here, learning, improving, and believing in your ability to speak English. I am Sarah, and I will see you in the next episode. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep speaking with confidence. Every word you say brings you closer to the English speaker you want to become.